Hey guys, we're Aussies and we're going to make an American dish for you. We've got some friends in Utah, so I thought we would make some funeral potatoes. I did a little bit of research and I think I know why they're called that. I think there was a lazy bugger. He had to go to a funeral. His mum said, please make something to bring to the gathering after. He had all week to do it. He didn't, so he had an hour spare to go before the funeral. So he went to his fridge, went to his freezer, and he got the most processed junk he could, put it all into a casserole dish and in the oven, and he put some cornflakes on top too.
Very strange. But I actually think it's called funeral potatoes because there's a very high likelihood you will die after you eat it because it is so unhealthy.
But you'll be happy that it tasted so great.
I guess we'll find out.
I think.
But America, I have some questions for you. Why don't you use real potatoes? Why are you using hash browns?
I don't know. Cornflakes, hash browns.
So much dairy.
So much dairy, so much sour cream, so much butter, cornflakes, all in one. Why?
And my next question is, where's the nutrition in it? Like, you don't even have one piece of spinach in that. Why?
Where's the greens? Come on, guys.
And thirdly, is this a joke? Do people literally eat this as a side dish? Do they take this to people's houses?
I don't know. How often? Is it only for funerals?
It's just not an Australian thing.
Not at all.
If someone walked in to a thing with funeral potatoes, I think everyone would be shocked. Do you reckon?
I do, but maybe they would love it.
I guess we'll find out. Anyway, wish us luck and we'll see how we go. Hey guys, we brought the family back and we're getting ready to start funeral potatoes. Now, it's going to be interesting because we've never ever made this meal before.
Never.
And we're also cooking with children.
So we'll see how it goes, hey?
Yeah. So, we have a recipe in front of us and what's actually so funny is the website was called Make From Scratch.
Ooh.
And every ingredient is not made from scratch. But anyway, we'll get into it. So the first thing we have to do is mix the sour cream. Oh, they're having cutters.
Okay, I'll put it in.
Well,
you wanna
maybe
put
get
it?
Forrest to do it.
All right, put it in, sweetie. Nice. What do we got? How many cups of sour cream do we have?
That was 2 cups.
2 cups of sour cream. One thing I find funny about this recipe is we've done grated cheese, we grated our own cheese, but it says just go buy grated cheese. Everything is so processed. So funny.
Okay, the next thing is a can of soup. Now, do you want to talk about, be careful.
Yeah,
Talk
so
about the soup.
in our normal life, we actually try to eat quite healthy. And when it comes to chicken, we want good quality chicken. So we were looking for free range cream chicken soup, but we could find no free range, so we went for the mushroom soup instead. So it might taste a little bit different, but I think it'll still be pretty similar.
Yeah.
And we just mix that in, and we just have 1 can of that in with the sour cream.
Okay, now we have the salt and pepper. Alaska, do you want to put it in?
Let's see if Alaska can put it in. Nice.
Okay,
and then
mix that
Forrest will
round.
mix that one in.
And then, Danny, this next step's for you. We need 6 tablespoons of butter.
That's
6
it.
tablespoons.
Here we
Surely
go.
there's no need for butter. Like, there's enough.
I saw we
Creaminess.
pre-did it in the oven, so it's all ready, so you need it melted.
I'll mix it.
Yep, mix that up.
I said 6 tablespoons, not the whole lot.
Ah, I thought that was 6 tablespoons.
Nope.
Ah,
Okay,
You see how that one goes.
now we need the onion powder. So it's just a tablespoon. Yeah, you can do that.
This is one ingredient I actually really love. If you
Yeah.
don't have onion powder in your kitchen, get it, because it's a game changer.
That's what Americans do really well. They put onion powder in a lot of stuff and it tastes
Yeah,
so
that is a winner. Good job, America. You done one good thing. Okay. Alrighty, that's it. Good.
Good job, team. Right, the
Alrighty.
next step is adding the potatoes and the cheese. Now,
Okay.
I wouldn't necessarily call it potatoes though.
No, that's it.
So
Let's go.
they are potato gems that Danny has pre-cut
I
up.
pre-cut them. You ready
Oh,
for us?
don't put that in there.
That's okay. A little
Okay.
bit of mess is always good. Yep, put them in.
Oh, let's go.
That's it. In they go. Super easy. Forrest could do this whole dish by herself.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just...
Maybe Alaska can mix.
Yep, use this one. It's a bit bigger.
Here, Alaska.
I'll use this one.
Yep,
mix
there
it?
you go.
Oh, good job, team.
Let's see.
So cute.
Now next, you put in 2 cups of grated cheese. And we already grated those buggers. Ready? You want to put those in for us?
Yep.
Yep, throw them in. Oh, bowl and all.
There we go.
There we go. Mix that in.
Spoon.
So we've got butter, sour cream, potato gems, onion powder, grated cheese, and maybe a bit more butter, hey? That's it. So
job.
we mix that up. Mix, 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 mix.
Wowza, this is looking very cheesy.
Okay.
So the next thing we do is put it into a baking dish. So Danny, do you want to grab the baking dish?
Yep, got the baking dish. Let's see.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna hold this one up and it's just gonna in.
Oh!
Oh! A bit messy, but that's okay. Did Alaska get any on her?
Yes. Do you want
Okay,
some of this,
fun
Alaska?
times. Forrest, would you like to try to smush it into the pan?
Okay, it does taste, that tastes yum.
Oh, already a winner. Now, funny enough, that's not the end of the recipe. You still need to put cornflakes on top.
Why?
So,
I will never know.
Why? It makes it nice and crunchy on top.
So hang on a sec. So we're supposed to put the rest of the remaining butter, so I think it was 4 tablespoons, in with the cornflakes,
yes.
and we were supposed to crush them up.
We can do a little bit of crushing, maybe. Watch this. Crush. I'm doing an okay
Do you want to
job.
punch it?
You want to punch it? Oh, slowly. That's
Do you want to do it, Lasky?
What you can do is actually put them in a sandwich bag, and then you can just whack them as hard as you want.
Maybe we'll just grab it as
Here we go, here we go. Use my hand to crush it, crush it, crush it. There we go. You guys want to...
Oh, she's got her hands in it.
That's it. There you go.
All right, you want to put it on, guys?
And there we go.
Good job, Forrest.
That's it. That's it.
What do you
Alaska.
think this will taste like?
Cornflakes.
You think it'll taste like cornflakes? Do you think it'll be yummy or not yummy?
Yummy.
Yeah, okay.
So, Nikki, are you excited to try this?
So I'm intolerant to dairy, so I'm just a tad concerned just with how much fattiness and dairy there is in the recipe.
So
but
we might have a bad night.
I mean, all the dairy products are yummy as.
Yep.
We'll
There
see.
you go.
Are you excited? I bet
I
you are.
am absolutely pumped. I love greasy, fat American food. I love it all. When we went there, I just ate. So I think this is going to taste brilliant. So the next thing we do is we put it in the oven that was preheated. We put it in for 40 minutes on 180. Let's see how it tastes after.
Hey guys, so the dish is out. It is smelling unreal. I'm gonna dish it up and then we'll get the kids to come and have a look. I'll just show you. Looks so yummy. All right, so let's dish up and then get the kids over.
Alrighty guys, so now it is taste testing time and we're gonna see what these funeral potatoes are like. Should we give it a whirl?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
What do we think?
Yum.
So creamy.
Oh, Forrest said yum. Very creamy, very cheesy, gooey,
Cheesy.
crunchiness.
It tastes super unhealthy. I love the cornflakes on it. I think that tastes yum. What's your favourite part?
Crunchy.
The crunchy bit. I think though, I don't love the hash browns in it.
Okay.
But we don't ever really eat hash browns. So I think people who like hash browns would probably love this. I think it might be better with real potatoes.
I think if you had this at a gathering and you put it on a place with a bit of chicken and some green beans, I think it would go well.
I guess it's like a potato bake that we make normally, but just way more processed.
Yeah. But the next meal that I want to try is a dessert dish. It's a sweet potato dish casserole. It's got marshmallows on top and you put it in the oven and it's sweet. I know we had it
Now
once,
that sounds horrific.
but we're going to do it and it's going to be great. But if there's any other American dishes you'd like us to try, put it in the comments and we'll give it a whirl. So subscribe to our channel. Hope you loved the cooking, and we'll put the recipe in the description. Hope you enjoy.
Bye.